Hello, this is Eggy Pal. Last time we practiced adding 10. Let's try again. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 1 plus 10 equals 11. 2 plus 10 equals 12. 3 plus 10 equals 13. 4 plus 10 equals 14. 5 plus 10 equals 15. 6 plus 10 equals 16. 7 plus 10 equals 17. 8 plus 10 equals 18. 9 plus 10 equals 19. Good work. Today, let's learn 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. 10 equals 9 plus 1. Remember. Look at the yellow 10. 10 plus 10 equals 10 plus 9 plus 1. Ready? Change the operation order. Next. Add these two first. 10 plus 10 equals 19 plus 1. What comes after 19? Yes, 20. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 10 plus 10 equals 20. We have 20. You are doing great. Then what comes after 20? Yes, 20 plus 1. Let's do it. 20 plus 1 equals 21. 20 plus 2 equals 22. 20 plus 3 equals 23. 20 plus 4 equals 24. 20 plus 5 equals 25. 20 plus 6 equals 26. 20 plus 7 equals 27. 20 plus 8 equals 28. 20 plus 9 equals 29. What is 20 plus 10? Notice a pattern? Yes, it's just like plus 10. We just add to the ones. Then what is 20 plus 10? Next time, we will add 20 plus 10 in bigger numbers. You did an amazing job today. See you next time. Bye-bye.